Yes, I'm sure you guys already saw clips of like my outfit and all of that. So this is what it's looking like. So my kids are on half-term holiday, and I decided that I was going to take some time off with them to go away and just relax and also like kind of give them a treat. So the idea right now is to go to the beach today, and that's why I'm wearing this very comfortable and chic outfit, and also I'm wearing these slippers because I mean it's the beach, and also because we're going to be doing like a little bit of walking, so I just wanted to be very comfortable. Right now I just want to accessorize my outfit because I feel like accessories have a way of elevating your overall look. And speaking of accessories, I have this package from my jewelry plug, Luisa. And guys, if you know Luisa, they have the best variety of sustainable, luxury and affordable pieces. And if you have been thinking of getting your hands on any of their quality pieces, Black Friday is the best opportunity to do that. They have like exclusive discounts, and you can always get something for yourself or something for your friend. And don't forget, Christmas is coming, and this is an opportunity for you to buy things that you'll be gifting people for the Christmas holiday, right? So let's just quickly see what we have. Usually what they do is to send me a link where I can just pick whatever I want, and then they decide what they want to send from all the options that I have. So this is what this package looks like. Guys, I really can't wait. I've not seen what is inside. I just opened up the package and see climate neutral, sustainable. I mentioned sustainability. Trust me, you want to shop from companies that are sustainability conscious. Guys, can you see? Oh my god, this is a teardrop necklace. Guys, I really love it. Let's see what is in the second one. I'm going to wear that definitely. Oh my god. So usually I really like this because can you see? I'm sure you can see. Usually when I have to pick my pieces, I always try to like pick things that complement each other. So when I was picking this teardrop necklace, was because I have an earring that is also like that, but from a different brand, of course. And then there was another option on their own website that could also go with the necklace. So and that was this one, and I'm really happy that they chose things that complemented each other. Just going to quickly try them on. It's just the packaging for me. This was even covered just so that there are no scratches and everything on it. So I'm going to put this on first. Lucky me. Guys, I love it. I love it. Same way the necklace was packaged, the earrings were also covered up to prevent. Oh my god, guys, this is like luxury. Guys, anyway, so I've managed to wear the first one. Let's see how I do with the second one. Yes, so I guess, guys, I feel like $1,000,000. Okay, guys, I've got my Luisa, bracelet from my last package from them. I'm just going to wear that. Guys, what do you think? Really nice. Then I've got rings. And yeah, I'm just going to use my perfume. So I have Women's Secret here, and I have this Playboy, so I'm just going to be mixing both. So I'll just be matching that with the bag. And yeah, there we have it, my full look. What do you think, guys? I feel like a rich woman that I am. Yeah, that's what Luisa does. See how it elevated the overall outfit. Heading out now. I'll put my link in the description box down below where you can get your exclusive discount on their page, and this is an opportunity for you to use this Black Friday to get quality and luxurious items at a very affordable price, and you can gift yourself something. You can also gift your family and friends over the holiday season. It's not too late to start shopping, right? It's just like 1 month to Christmas, so why not take this opportunity? And trust me, you will see that it was worth it. And I'll see you guys as the vlog unfolds if there's any other thing to show. Bye guys.
A lot of people die in World War, so much. And then tomorrow we'll have the most fun of our life.
Yes, see this way. Tomorrow we'll come for the whole day.
What? So does that mean that you're gonna do like a video? Just say in the people and whoever says it. I know, Mommy, I need to go back losers. Mommy, tomorrow do a video like yeah, we'll go on the beach and then we'll say that whoever says that they really want to go back loses.
Okay. See?
It'll be like a deserted island.
Say hi.
Hi.
Let's just walk around.
Mommy, I thought you the water. They have my shoes.
Hold on. Let's move down to that place. This place is more of rocky sand. Let's move.
I told you they have a good water.
I know.
And they even have a
Yeah.
We did this last.
That's okay. Come closer. And you already have a coach.
Finally.
Smells nice. Let's see what they have.
Oh, I know
Chips, right? I do too. So who's going to attend to us?
Mommy, I literally just made a dramatic entrance right there.
You did?
Oh. What a copycat.
We have gone to the beach, and on our way back we decided to stop over at the restaurant to eat, just so that once we get back to the apartment we are just going to rest and we're not doing anything much for today. So yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog here so I don't have to like worry about doing a closing and when I get back to the hotel. So don't forget to shop on Luisa. You'll find the link in my description box, and there you can find all the exclusive discounts that they have for Black Friday sales, and make sure to use this opportunity to get your hands on some of their pieces, and you thank me for it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.